how to sign out of TradingView application on your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to switch accounts or using a shared device, signing out of your TradingView app only takes a few taps. First of all, launch open the TradingView application on your device and make sure that you're inside this main home page, from where you need to tap menu at the bottom right corner. Inside the menu options, scroll all the way down and look for a sign out button appearing in red. Before signing out of your account, make sure that you have your login credentials with you so that you can return back to TradingView if you want to sign in again. If you're sure you'd like to sign out, click sign out and click on yes in the pop-up and you'll be able to log out of TradingView application. You can now safely switch account or leave the device knowing your account is protected. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.